Hi, I'm Dan Robbins, principal here at the Early College and Career Center. We're so excited for the 24-25 school year. Tonight having open house, very informal in a sense, just giving the students and families an opportunity to walk around, meet their teachers, learn about our building, learn about how students get to and from their home high school to us, and just general information. So we're super excited, got a great turnout like always, so we're just ready for the school year.
Welcome to EC3's open house. I'm Bobby Thompson. We had a big group of people come in today learning about the different pathways. We've also had students that are in our early college program have come to meet those professors, and a great night here. And again, you'll see people in all of our different pathways here at EC3.
Hi, I'm Susan Hatfield. I'm here at the Early Career College Center. I'm teaching the engineering pathway this year and looking forward to a lot of students that have been coming in for open house. This year I'm getting ready to start teaching electrical engineering, and then we've got robotics class, foundations for robotics, and just really excited to get the year started.
You're going to get your Part 107 certification, which will allow you to legally fly for-profit UAVs, drones, like the kind we have here, or one that you may get on your own. That is the law. You're supposed to be certified. If you did go take a picture or take a 10-second video and upload it to YouTube, and you get 1,000 likes for it, and YouTube says, "Hey, we're going to give you this $50 gift card because you got all these likes," and you accept it, that is illegal. By the letter of the law, that is illegal. If you didn't know, you have to be certified to accept any kind of compensation to fly your drone in that manner, or even to fly somebody in your plane. You can't just have your own pilot's license in your own plane and accept payment to fly somebody from A to B. You've got to have certain certifications to even do that. So, and we're going to learn all about that. A lot of legal stuff. But yeah, the fun part, how this plane, how this drone, how this helicopter, how they all get up into the air. We're going to learn that over this 4-year journey for a lot of you, or less for some of you. And it's going to be fun. Stephen Rogers from the Aviation Pathway at EC3, talking to parents and students at Open House about the Aviation Pathway and how we get them from their freshman year all the way through their senior year.
Hello, my name is Chris Bash. I'm a welding teacher here at EC3. Tonight we're having our 24-25 school year open house for trimester 1. Had several parents coming in. We're just basically telling the parents, what their child would need for the pathway, such as proper protective equipment, such as clothing, boots, etc. Having a lot of questions from the parents, because welding is a big demand, and we are just, happy to enlighten all the parents on what their child may need to fulfill the welding pathway.
I'm Roger Ramsey. I'm the executive chef instructor of the culinary pathway here at EC3. It's open house. It looks like it's going to be a good year. Nobody ever comes to see me for open house, because all my kids have been here before. They come see me looking for a chef pit. That's all right. It's all right. What we talk about when they come in to visit, what to expect. What are we going to do? We'll visit real quick on our competitions. We'll talk about whatever they need, mostly non-slip shoes. We'll talk about our catering program, and mostly just answering questions. We like showing off this kitchen. It's a pretty special place. When it was built, it was stellar in the Commonwealth, and we've added to it a little bit. There's not much we don't have, but that's kind of what we do. We want to get the kids feeling comfortable. So most of my kids don't come to visit because they've been here before for introduction to culinary arts. Still love to see them when they do come by, though. So, if you're interested, change that schedule. Come on, get into the culinary arts pathway. We have a pretty good time, and if we don't do well, we still get to eat.
I'm Tim Hall. I teach the residential maintenance program, and we teach kids how to do electricity. There's one class we teach, and another is carpentry and heavy equipment, and HVAC and plumbing. So we kind of give the kids a broad spectrum of different trades that they can learn about, and get them kind of exposed to a little bit to everything. And the awesome thing is we have a warehouse on the other side of town where our classroom is at, and these guys are going to be doing live projects every day, and someone's going to be running heavy equipment. They're going to be running a backhoe and a skid steer and a mini excavator. So all these things things that you see on a construction job site is exactly what these kids learn about every day. So we kind of get them exposed to it. We let them using table saws and hand tools and power tools, and so whenever they leave our program, they'll know a trade that they like doing, and they'll know some things that other trades that they may not enjoy doing. So we kind of give them exposed to everything and just give them a good start into the construction career.
Hi, I'm Christy Wright, the school counselor at EC3, and we're having our open house tonight. We're welcoming students from Central, John, and North. And my job tonight is just to greet parents and students and get them directed to their correct pathway. We're looking forward to a great school year and our students in the building, and just look forward to wonderful things this year.
Hi, I'm Kyle Coomer, assistant principal here at EC3. Tonight we're welcoming parents, and what I've been doing, just guiding them where they need to go, answering questions about our academy and different pathways, and pointing them in the directions for their classrooms.
Hi, I'm April Bowman. I'm the lead health science teacher here at EC3. Here at EC3 we offer several different healthcare pathways: Medicaid nurse aid, phlebotomy, EKG, medical assisting, medical administrative assisting. We have six teachers here at EC3. We also offer a student-centered organization called HOSA.
Hi, I'm Dana Pearsall. I am the computer science instructor at EC3. I teach several classes, starting with internet technologies, computer hardware and software maintenance, introduction to networking, AP computer science principles, computational thinking, web page development, and cybersecurity. So we run the whole gamut. We have 4 pathways, which we're excited to offer: computer programming, web development, network administration, and network security. And we certify our students in all of the appropriate certifications for whatever they are going into. So we're excited to have this program grow.
Hello, I'm Justin Hornback. I'm the media arts teacher here at EC3. Inside of our classroom here, we do a lot of different things regarding media. So one of the things that we do is, like somebody that's standing behind this camera right now, HCEC-TV, we work with them to capture different events like this and different types of games. In the classroom also, we hone the talents on how to use cameras, how to frame the right type of shot to make that look good before we start moving into film. We offer a dual credit with the program. So the last 3 courses are through Bluegrass Community and Technical College out of Lexington, and then that hones in on the filmmaking skills. So we do everything from script writing, storyboarding, to filming, even some casting on trying to get those short films done and try to compete with those as well. So we do a whole lot, we try at least, in this class. So hope to see you or your student here.
My name is Azaria Miller. I'm in 11th grade. I go to North Hardin, and I'm very excited about my upcoming school year and this open house at EC3, and it's helping me make decisions about my pathway.
Hello there, I'm Rachel Rogers, and I'm the nurse here at EC3. I represent the Cumberland Family Medical Clinic as well as the Healthy Kids Clinic. We offer services to all the students in Hardin County, from your basic Tylenol or ibuprofen, as well as well child checks, immunizations and vaccinations. And we even partner with a number of nurse practitioners that offer sick visits. So if a child is coming down with the flu, or if there's a chronic issue going on that's not that needs attention, then we're happy to help with that as well. So a bit of comprehensive care right here in the schools.